in the heart of Pench National Park, where the dense forest canopy hums with the songs of unseen birds and the air carries the earthy scent of wildflowers. There lies a serene lake hidden amidst ancient trees. Here, nested in nature's embrace, I found myself in a moment of quiet reflection as a tea sommelier, preparing a ceremony of matcha. The morning sunlight filtered gently through the leaves, casting dappled shadows on the ground as I laid out my tools, a delicate ceramic bowl, a bamboo whisk, and a small pouch of vibrant green matcha powder. The lake shimmered nearby, its waters reflecting the sky like a mirror of tranquility. With a reverence reserved for such moments of communion with nature, I scooped a portion of matcha into the bowl, marveling at its emerald hue, a color that seemed to echo the lush surroundings of the forest. Adding a splash of pristine water, I began the ritualistic whisking, my moments fluid and purposeful. As the matcha dissolved into a frothy jade-colored elixir, the forest seemed to hold its breath, as if acknowledging the sacredness of the ceremony. The aroma of fresh leaves and subtle hints of sweetness filled the air, mingling with the earthy scent of the forest floor. Sitting by the lakeside, I took a moment to appreciate the beauty around me. The towering trees that whispered ancient tales, the symphony of bird calls that echoed through the canopy, and the gentle lapping of water against the shore. Each sip of matcha offered a connection to the land, a reminder of the delicate balance of nature and the harmony it inspires. In that tranquil setting, brewing matcha became more than a ritual. It became a profound experience of communion with the natural world. As I savored each sip, I felt a deep sense of gratitude for being able to share this moment with the forest, the lake, and the time